Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux in VMware. So let us start. Open the browser first, kali.org. Now you can click here, download, and now you can click here, virtual machines. That should be pre-built image. Click on it. Now you can download here this virtual image, but I have already downloaded it here. You can see I have already downloaded it. So second thing is you have to install Virtual Workstation Pro, which I have already installed. Now you can go to the image and double click on it, .vmx, or you can open VMware Workstation and simply drag this file into the VMware Workstation here. Now see, it's very easy to install. It's already pre-built. You just have to power on this virtual machine. Click on it. Now it will boot up the Kali Linux. Click here, copy it. I copied it. It takes some time to start. It's starting. Now you can see it is booting up. You can see the Kali Linux logo. Now it asks for username and password. Enter Kali, and password will be also Kali. Now the installation has been completed. This was all about installation and configuration of Kali Linux in VMware. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.